Hey socialites, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing YSL Libre's latest flanker, Flowers and Flames. So I picked up the travel size, which is the 10 ml travel size at Nordstrom, and it retails for $35. Now the fragrance goes up to $165 for the 3.3 ounce, and I think you can pick it up almost anywhere at this point. Macy's, Sephora, Ulta, Nordstrom, you know, all the ones that sell the Libre perfumes. So I was excited to pick this up because I'm actually a Libre fan. I like all of them except for the plantain one. That's the only one I don't, because I'm not a big aldehydes person. It's sort of aldehydic like the Chanel fragrances, and I'm not really a fan of, you know, like those aldehyde notes, a little bit too strong for me. But the rest of them I really like. Libre Intense and Libre Le Parfum are my favorites over the original because they're just sort of more sultry. Both of those have that ambery winter touch to it, which I really like. So I was excited to get this, you guys, and see what it was given. And it's so similar to all of them. Definitely fits into the family. This is one of those, when you smell this perfume, you know that it's one of the Libres. So that was super exciting when I first smelled it. But let me tell you guys a little bit about the opening. It's fresh and it's floral. To me, this one is the most floral from any of the Libres that I've smelled so far. And to me, the lavender sort of stands out in here. Florals, period, but that lavender really stands out. So if you're somebody who doesn't like lavender, you may not like this, because I know that's a turnoff for some people with the other Libres, but I don't mind it at all. So it's sort of bright. It opens up a little citrusy and very floral. Now, as it dries down, you guys, it sort of gets sweeter. It's a little warm, but it's not as warm as Le Parfum or as Libre Intense. Those are, to me, straight up like warm, wintry scents. To me, this one almost smells like if the original Libre and Le Parfum had a baby. So on the dry down, you get something in here that smells sort of vanillic, and to me, it's a little ambery, but the notes doesn't say that it's amber in here, but this is yummy. Oh my goodness. If a sunset was a scent, to me, that's what this would be. This smells like warm sun coming down for the day. Like it was hot outside, but the sun is starting to sort of die down. This is something, to me, it's sexy too, y'all. So let's get into the notes. So the top notes, we have lavender and bergamot. In the mid, we have orange blossom, lily, more lavender, and palm tree. In the base, we have vanilla. So I do smell that vanilla in the base, and to me, it's sort of borderlines ambery, but it doesn't say that amber's in here. And don't think it's going to be as sultry, warm, and ambery, like I said, as Le Parfum or as intense, because it's not. It has that sort of brightness that Libre original has, and then a little bit of that warmth, vanillic touch that Le Parfum and Intense has. This is nice. To me, this is something that could be wintertime. It kind of borderlines. It could be, but it could be year round as well. I would wear this on date night, but you could definitely wear it during the day. The past 2 days, I've been wearing it during the day, and it is so beautiful. Long lasting, just like all the other Libres. To me, all the Libres last all day long, and this is no different. It lasts all day on my skin and especially on my clothes. Now, to me, this is something that's unisex. I feel like a man or a woman could wear this and get away with it. It is sweet, but in sort of that moody, sweet, sort of vanillic, ambery way, but it's not overly sweet. It's not like a dessert-like sweet or anything like that. Just picture like touches of warm vanilla in there. So a man could definitely wear this, and it's a little bit assertive. It's a little bit serious. It's not like a bright, fun fragrance. This is sexy and this is grown. So to me, this is like late 20s and up. Definitely something you want to wear with a gown or a sexy slip dress or a little black dress or something like that. But like I said, whatever floats your boat, because the past couple days I've just been wearing it out and about casually, you know, going up to the kids' school and stuff like that. Jeans and a shirt, blazer, casual vest and jeans like that. Beautiful, beautiful scent in my opinion. If you're a fan of Le Parfum and Intense already, you would probably love this. To me, it just sort of meshes somewhere in the middle between the original and then like the Le Parfum. This one kind of sits right in the middle. As far as layering goes, it's strong enough to stand on its own and it doesn't need anything to help it like project, because this is a projector. This is one of those that when you walk in the room, they're going to smell you just like the other Libres, sort of like a head turning type of fragrance. But if you wanted to, you could put like a baby oil gel underneath just to give it something extra to stick to. But like I said, it doesn't need that. If you wanted to put like a vanillic body cream or a lotion or something underneath to amp up the vanilla and make it a little bit more sweet, I think that would be nice as well. So comment down below, let me know if you've tried the new Libre Flowers and Flame. I like it. What do y'all think? Comment down below, let me know. Or are you interested in trying it? So I'll have it linked on the screen on that white YouTube shopping tab. So be sure to click on that link if you're interested in getting it. Oh, y'all, it's a 10 out of 10 for me. So if you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have